to sentencing, it'll be very different. You're talking about a pretty different scenario.
In fact, prosecutors say one parent who remains anonymous at this point paid $6.5 million to get his or her child into a top college. Again, all have been charged with conspiracy so far, but authorities say this investigation is continuing. Elizabeth Herr, ABC News, Boston.
A Kansas woman went on a shoe shopping spree, but it wasn't to fill her own closet. She took advantage of the Payless shoes going out of business sale, $1 a pair sale, to buy all the store shoes and donate them to Nebraska flood victims. There were 204 pairs left in that store last week. After about 2.5 hours of negotiating, she ended up paying just $100. Those shoes were then delivered to Nebraska on Monday. Apparently, the Avengers were not the only ones who fell victim to that infamous Thanos snap. The internet felt the power of Marvel fans yesterday as movie websites crashed on the first day of pre-sales for Avengers Endgame. Well, those trying to grab tickets from Fandango got stuck in a virtual queue for up to an hour. AMC's website went down at one point because of the high demand. And get this, some who purchased tickets have now put them up for sale on eBay for thousands of dollars. The final installment of the Avengers saga hits theaters on April 26th. I got my tickets.
How much did you pay?
Oh, I went to the theater and got my tickets. So just regular movie theater prices.
Thousands of dollars for a movie ticket.
Not.
That's a little crazy, right?
It sure is.
All right, so what's out there today is free. It's a beautiful view,
Yeah.
lots of sunshine. Temperatures are warming up
Yes,
nicely.
they are.
A little bit on the breezy side. If you look carefully at this picture here, this is down at the tidal basin. Lots and lots of people, thousands and thousands. But notice that the wind beginning to knock some of the petals off the tree, and you can see it right over here in the water. So now is the time to go. If you can't get down there until tomorrow, they'll still look beautiful. But if you're holding off until the upcoming weekend, just be forewarned, even though it's going to be a lot warmer out there, you're going to see a little bit of a change, but it looks fantastic for right now. Over toward Dulles International Airport, we have bright sunny skies, temperatures warming up nicely. Over toward the Roslyn area, notice how the trees, Roosevelt Island, beginning to green up a little bit. If you've never hiked around Roosevelt Island, it's sort of a secret gem in the middle of the city. You should check it out. It's really pretty. 63 degrees right now at Reagan National Airport. Neighborhoods over in Leesburg and then Winchester are in the lower 60s. Head to southern Maryland, La Plata and Leonardtown, all in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees. Now, we do have wind gusts up there around 25 to 30 miles per hour. It will stay gusty as we move through the afternoon hours and into the early evening, and that's why we now have a red flag warning that is posted. We don't see these very often. Humidity levels are very low, so it's very, very dry out there. Prince George's County, the district, Arlington, Alexandria, Fairfax, off toward the north and west. Basically what it means is if you have an open flame close to anything grassy, be very careful, because with the winds and the dry conditions, things could begin to spread really fast if they get out of hand. 60 degrees for our lunchtime hour, 12 noon. We'll be in the middle 60s, 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. Grab the sunglasses as we move through the evening hours. We are going to stay, well, we'll stay dry. Need to fix this. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s to around 70 degrees. Moving through our day tonight, or I should say overnight, clouds will begin to increase. And by early tomorrow morning, we will see more clouds across the area, but it will stay dry for your early morning. So if you are going to be out and about, checking out the cherry blossoms maybe, or for your rush hour commute, temperatures will be in the middle 40s inside the Beltway. Otherwise, looking at temperatures middle to upper 30s. Now tomorrow, an equally nice day, although added cloud cover. Temperatures will be in the middle 60s, so well above average for this time of year. Normally we see our temperatures in the lower 60s for this time of year, mid 60s for the day tomorrow. Friday, though, not the prettiest of days, only in the middle 50s. Better chance for wet weather. Fantastic time to download your Stormwatch 7 weather app. We do have a few clouds rolling in Saturday and Sunday, but look at those temperatures, around 70 degrees, looking good, maybe even a little bit on the humid side for some. Here's your 7-day outlook. We'll fill in what's in between. Cooler on Friday, warm as we move into the weekend, and we're going to keep those warm temperatures along with a chance for a few rumbles of thunder come Monday and Tuesday of next week. Severe weather season is underway.
Yes, it is.
We don't have any today. However, like I said, the Stormwatch 7 weather app will keep you ahead of the storm, and so will we right here.
Absolutely. All right. Thanks, Steve. We'll be right back, so stay with us.
Pest problems? Get a free inspection. MyPMSI.com. Mark cleaning out the gutters off your spring list of chores. Give us a call here at Leaf Guard. Ask about our clog-free guarantee. Earn the Good Housekeeping seal 14 years in a row. And we want to earn your business and save you some money during our $99 install sale. You buy a Leaf Guard from us, we install it for $99. Act now, get a $200 Best Buy gift card as a bonus with purchase. And if you call today, you get a $25 Lowe's gift card with your complimentary in-home estimate only from Leaf Guard.
Why Window Nation? Because we know that it's how you finish that matters.
First, we measure each window 3 times to ensure a proper fit.
At the factory, each window goes through a 50-point quality inspection.
Only then can it be installed in your home by our factory-trained installers.
During installation, we give each window a 20-point quality inspection.
At Window Nation, every step matters, from start to finish.
Right now, save 33% off your entire project, plus get 0% interest for 5 full years. Visit windownation.com today.